English action verbs vocabulary.
Juxtapose.
Juxtapose.
To place different things side by side for comparison.
They often juxtapose bright colors.
They juxtapose two images for effect.
Juxtapose. Throb.
Throb.
To feel pain that comes and goes quickly.
My head throbs with pain.
His heart throbbed with excitement.
Throb. Determine.
Determine.
To decide something after thinking about it.
They determine the best route.
She determined the answer quickly.
Determine. Print.
Print.
To produce text or images on paper.
She prints her photos at home.
He printed the report yesterday.
Print. Cash.
Cash.
To exchange a check for money.
He cashes his check weekly.
She cashed the check today.
Cash. Reclaim.
Reclaim.
To get something back that was lost.
They reclaim old furniture.
They reclaimed the land successfully.
Reclaim. Recess.
Recess.
A short break or pause.
Students recess in the yard.
The class recessed at noon.
Recess. Criticize.
Criticize.
To say that something is bad or wrong.
She criticizes his work often.
The boss criticized the project.
Criticize. Gouge.
Gouge.
To make a deep hole or cut in something.
He gouges the wood carefully.
He gouged out a hole.
Gouge. Gesture.
Gesture.
To make a movement with your hand to show something.
He gestures to the waiter.
She gestured towards the exit.
Gesture. Compute.
Compute.
To calculate or use a computer to find an answer.
The computer computes the results.
The machine computed the data.
Compute. Esteem.
Esteem.
To respect and admire someone.
They esteem their teacher highly.
They esteemed her bravery.
Esteem. Replace.
Replace.
To take the place of something.
She replaces the batteries monthly.
He replaced the old tires.
Replace. Splash.
Splash.
To make water move and scatter.
The kids splash in the pool.
She splashed water everywhere.
Splash. Wrench.
Wrench.
To pull or twist something suddenly.
He wrenches the door open.
He wrenched it from her grip.
Wrench. Spiral.
Spiral.
To move in a twisting pattern.
The bird spirals in the sky.
The smoke spiraled upwards.
Spiral. Persecute.
Persecute.
To treat someone badly because of their beliefs.
They persecute him unfairly.
They persecuted him for his beliefs.
Persecute. Drill.
Drill.
To make a hole with a tool.
He drills holes in the wall.
He drilled into the wood.
Drill. Pity.
Pity.
To feel sorry for someone.
I pity the stray cat.
He pitied the poor child.
Pity. Urge.
Urge.
To strongly encourage someone to do something.
They urge caution in the city.
She urged him to stay safe.
Urge. Collect.
Collect.
To gather things together.
They collect stamps from all over.
They collected all the rare coins.
Collect. Civilize.
Civilize.
To teach people to behave in a better way.
They civilize the wild animals.
He civilized the untouched land.
Civilize. Index.
Index.
To organize something in a list.
He indexes the documents carefully.
She indexed the books yesterday.
Index. Wave.
Wave.
To move your hand back and forth.
She waves to her friend daily.
They waved goodbye to everyone.
Wave. Dispose.
Dispose.
To throw something away.
They dispose of old clothes responsibly.
He disposed of the waste properly.
Dispose. Intrigue.
Intrigue.
To make someone very interested.
The mystery intrigues the readers.
The story intrigued everyone.
Intrigue. Drag.
Drag.
To pull something with effort.
He drags the heavy bag home.
She dragged the box upstairs.
Drag. Choreograph.
Choreograph.
To plan the movements of dancers.
She choreographs the dance perfectly.
They choreographed the show last year.
Choreograph. Reiterate.
Reiterate.
To say something again.
He reiterates his point clearly.
She reiterated the question twice.
Reiterate. Withhold.
Withhold.
To hold something back.
They withhold information from the media.
He withheld the details intentionally.
Withhold. Screech.
Screech.
To make a loud, harsh noise.
The brakes screech loudly.
The car screeched to a halt.
Screech. Outweigh.
Outweigh.
To be more important than something else.
Benefits outweigh the risks.
The advantages outweighed the drawbacks.
Outweigh. Accept.
Accept.
To agree to take something.
She accepts the gift happily.
They accepted the offer immediately.
Accept. Float.
Float.
To stay on the surface of water.
They float on the lake.
She floated on the water.
Float. Mold.
Mold.
To shape something into a form.
He molds the clay skillfully.
He molded the statue from clay.
Mold.